Thanks to Tinder, finding a significant other has become much easier. This service has a large number of users and it keeps growing every day. Among them, you often hear the question of how to register on Tinder without a phone number. Why do users need to register in the app without a phone number? Here are a few reasons. The first, need to create a second account. The second, unable to use a phone number. And the third, don't want to disclose their contact information. Grizzly SMS offers a solution to the phone number problem. It's a service that provides affordable virtual numbers which can help you register on dating websites while maintaining user anonymity. Let's go through the steps of obtaining a virtual number through Grizzly. On the Grizzly SMS website, you can use a virtual number for registration for just 0.5 cents. With its help, the user will receive an SMS message with a code when creating an account on the dating site. Here's how. The first, register on Grizzly SMS. To do this, open the link in the description below the video and go to the website. In the pop-up menu, click on the register button. To register, simply enter your email address. No other information is required. After correctly filling in all the necessary fields, the registration will be successfully completed. Next, you need to top up your balance to purchase a virtual number. To do this, check the receive numbers box and then select top up balance in the upper right corner of the screen. Choose a suitable payment system and click select. Enter the necessary amount for the top-up. Click the pay button. Great, the number is almost yours. The website will redirect you to enter your banking details. Enter the required information to top up your balance. After that, return to the main page and scroll down to the service selection section. In our case, it's Tinder. Select the mobile operator's country below and click Get. You will be automatically redirected to the Receive Numbers tab with the Purchase Virtual Number. You don't necessarily have to choose a number from the list, you can simply enter it in the corresponding fields. Go back to the Grizzly SMS website, access your account and wait for the SMS with the verification code from Tinder. Once the code arrives, enter it in Tinder. You have created an account without a personal phone number. Now, all that's left is to fill out your profile on the app and interact with other users. Grizzly SMS makes registration easier for several reasons. Prices for Tinder numbers on the service are much lower than on other platforms. It's secure, as the dating website is friendly towards virtual numbers. The service offers a variety of numbers. Grizzly SMS support is always there to help you if something goes wrong. Now you know how to use a Grizzly SMS to purchase a virtual number for registration without revealing your own. Give us a like and subscribe to the Grizzly SMS channel for simple instructions and useful content.